Hi everybody, today's video is about one of my projects which hasn't been advertised as much as its counterparts, the DC2N 1, 2 and 4. This is DC2N version 3. The unit is just a prototype, so that explains why the bulky size, which is the same size as DC2N version 1. But this one, first thing, connects to a PC via USB. Just if you want, it's a monitor port, console port. It connects to a C2N via a tape connector. Here it is. To the power supply, 5 volts, and at the back here we have got a USB drive. I'm using a USB SD card reader, but any USB drive will do, really. So what the DC2N3 allows us to do is to dump the contents of a tape from the dataset to the USB drive. When it starts up, it's quite simple. There's not much going on the LCD display. It just says hardware initialized, which means it's now ready for dumping. The way we start dumping is by just pressing the dump button. At this point, what DC2N says, dump 0003, and you can press play on the dataset, and as soon as some data is sent to the DC2N and it's detected by the microprocessor, it will be displayed on the screen. The first part is, now it's coming. The lead-in sequence of the ROM loader segment of the tape. See, it's 3 bands, just like we're used to. Header is finished, data is started, it's continuing from the bottom to the top of the screen. See, the tape is running. It's Turrican, which has got a quite fast turbo loader, as we can see. Very short pulse duration, very close to each other as well. Yeah. And this is about it. DC2N3. Thanks for watching. Bye.